What if you could make every cut feel more powerful? A door opens, a beat hits, and suddenly you're somewhere completely different. A simple action becomes more impactful, a normal cut feels smoother, and the sound itself helps the viewer feel the scene change. With Filmora's SFX transitions and sound-enabled video effects, you can combine movement, music, and sound to create edits that feel rhythmic, cinematic, and much more engaging. Let's see how it works. First, import your clips into the timeline, trim them, and adjust them according to the music beat. I've already done that, and you can see the result here. Now, let's move on to our main topic, adding transitions. To add a transition, go to the Transitions tab and scroll down to the SFX Transitions section. Here, you'll find a variety of transitions that already include sound effects. You can also see the music symbol on each transition, which indicates that the sound effect is built directly into the transition. Now, choose a transition that fits the style and movement of your story. For this clip, I'll use Film Roll Transition 1. Simply drag and drop the transition between the two clips. For the next clips, I want to use Fast Wipe SFX. Again, simply drag and drop it between the clips. For the next two clips, I'll use Glitch SFX2 and Glitch SFX3. You can follow the same steps to add any transition you want to your clips. I'll fast forward this part to save some time. And here, you can see that all of the transitions have been added to the timeline. As you can see, adding these transitions makes the video much more dynamic and engaging. And the best part is that the sound effects are already built into the transitions, so you don't have to manually search for and add a separate sound effect for every transition. But we can take the video one step further by adding sound-enabled video effects. To do that, go to the Effects panel and scroll down to the Sound-enabled section. Here, you'll find a variety of effects that come with their own sound effects. Simply choose an effect according to your footage and drag and drop it directly onto the video clip. For this example, I'll use Film Rolling SFX. I'll simply drag and drop it onto the video layer. And just like before, I can add more sound-enabled effects to other clips, depending on the story and visual style. I'll fast forward this part to save some time. And now, you can see that all the sound-enabled effects have been added to the timeline. So, let's play the final preview. As you can see, combining SFX transitions with sound-enabled video effects makes the entire edit feel more dynamic, rhythmic, and engaging. And the best part is that the sound is already built into these transitions and effects, making it much easier to create a polished edit without manually searching for the perfect sound effect every time.